Hello viewers, welcome to our ChatGPT course. In today's video, we learn about how natural language processing works. So let's jump into our main video and talk to about it. So what is natural language processing and components of natural language processing? So first, natural language processing or NLP, short name, is a subfield of computer science and artificial intelligence that is called AI that focuses on the interaction between computers and human language. NLP has a variety of algorithm applications including language translation, sentiment analysis, and chatbots. NLP involves many different components that work together to enable computers to process and understand human language. And now, here are some of the major components of natural language processing. So, what is this? First, tokenization. This involves breaking a piece of text into smaller pieces of or tokens, small parts, such as words or phrases. Tokenization is often the first step in many NLP tasks. That is very important. Morphological analysis. This involves analyzing the structure of words to identify their root form, prefixes, and suffixes. Morphological analysis is used to enable computers to identify different forms of a word such as run, ran, and running. Part of speech or POS taggings. This involves identifying the grammatical parts of a sentence such as nouns, verbs, adjective, and adverbs. POS parts of speech tagging is used to enable computers to understand the structure of sentences and how the different parts relate to each other. Next, named entity recognition or NER. This involves identifying and categorizing name entities or named entities such as people, places, organizations, and dates. In a piece of text, NER or named entity recognition is used to enable computer to identify important information in a piece of text. Next, sentiment analysis. This involves analyzing the emotions and opinions expressed in a piece of text. Sentiment analysis is used to enable computer to understand the attitude of people towards a particular subject. Parsing. Next part, our parsing. So this involves analyzing the structure of a sentence to identify the relationships between different parts of the sentence. Parsing is used to enable computers to understand the meaning of a sentence. Next, machine translation. This involves using algorithms to translate text from one language to another. Machine translation is used to enable computers to communicate with people who speak different languages. Text generation. This involves using algorithms to generate text automatically. Text generation is used to enable computers to produce human-like text such as chatbots or automated content creation. These components are often combined in different ways to perform different NLP tasks. While NLP is still developing field, the technology has already made significant progress in enabling computers to process and understand human language. Okay, so now we can do a summary in this video. So in today's video, we learn about the different components of natural language processing. In our next video, we learn more about ChatGPT course.